You say you got a girl. Yeah, you want
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I'm doing a natural, finally bringing you guys a natural prom look. And I'm super excited. Hopefully that this is natural enough for me because I don't do natural makeup, so. But I'm not going to be talking you guys through it just because I want to watch the Ace Family right over here. And I just want to put makeup on. Like, I'm just not having a great week so far, and doing my makeup always makes me feel so much better. So this is just probably gonna be music. I don't know if it's gonna be a voiceover or not, but all of the products I use will be down in the description box. I started trying to do that and it takes forever, so please appreciate it. And also, I just super quickly wanted to address the fact that we are, probably by the time this is up, we probably hit 300 subscribers. And I know it doesn't seem like a big number, but to me that's like such a milestone, and I'm so happy. And thank you guys so much for supporting me so far through this journey. And I can't wait till we hit like 500 and like 1,000, and I'm so excited. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys have any video recommendations or anything, let me know. And let's just get started. Alright guys, so I quickly want to tell you that for lashes, you don't have to go this dramatic. These are some new lashes that I'm trying to like play with and see if I like. So I just kind of like used these, and I didn't really feel like cutting more natural lashes. So obviously you don't have to go this dramatic, but like since everything's kind of natural, I thought that the lashes would bring everything kind of together as a more glam look. But obviously you can go a lot more natural on the lashes. You don't even need to put lashes on. If you have really nice lashes and you'd like to use mascara, go for it. But yeah, let's get into the face. Alright guys, so I just got this sleek solstice palette almost a week ago, and honey, it's like blinding as freak, like seriously. I think I'm gonna use this one and maybe a tiny bit of that one, just because they're so blinding. Like, look at that. She is a beaut. Like, oh my freak frack. Gonna go a little bit more beach. Just because for prom, you want to be a glowy goddess. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go put this on the rest of my face, my inner corner, my brow bone. We'll be back for lips, and then we'll finish off. But for lips, I'm going in with a red shade, and I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Catsuit. And then for lip liner, I'm just gonna go in with this nude one from Rimmel, just so it kind of like stays in place. But yeah. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoy. I have blinding highlight, natural eye, big lashes, and a red lip. I wanted it to be more natural glam, and I think I succeeded pretty well. I was inspired by Yaz online because when she wears red lips, it looks gorgeous on her, and she always wears like bigger dramatic lashes because she usually doesn't wear eyeshadow, but I wanted this to be associated for prom, or you could do this for like a Christmas time. Honestly, like Christmas is year round, so. And I think that it brings out my blue eyes really well, and I love it. It's making me also have like Rachel Cantu vibes, because like for her Christmas look, well, one of them, or Thanksgiving or something, she did like a neutral eye and big lashes, and she has really beautiful blue eyes and a red lip, and it looked really good on her. So yeah. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed. I love you all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and for 300 subscribers. I love you guys and appreciate you all so much, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye. Dude. I'm actually feeling yourself, but I have to take this off soon because I have a meeting, so okay, bye guys.
Up and then dig her down, she gon' turn around and I'ma kick her out. She gon' tell that shit, but say how you make it up, how you fake the love, holy son. Sí, sí, sí.